Want richer sound, smarter noise control, and all-day comfort in one pair of earbuds? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're checking out the Btootos A90 Pro wireless earbuds, featuring Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity, powerful sound, up to 36 hours of total battery life, and an IP7 waterproof design. These budget-friendly earbuds pack impressive features for everyday listening and workouts. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Btootos A90 Pro wireless earbuds, charging case, extra ear tips, USB Type-C to USB-A charging cable, user manual and quick start guide. Product features. Built with a lightweight in-ear shape that fits securely and comfortably in the ears, the ergonomic design helps reduce pressure and ear fatigue, making them ideal for long listening sessions, workouts, travel, or daily use without discomfort, even during extended wear throughout the day in different environments. Delivers clear, well-balanced audio with rich bass, detailed mids, and crisp highs. It enhances every listening experience, whether you're enjoying music, watching videos, gaming, or taking calls, providing a more immersive and enjoyable sound experience with improved clarity, depth, and overall balance. Powered by Bluetooth 5.4 for fast pairing and a strong, stable wireless connection, it ensures smooth and uninterrupted audio transmission with low latency and improved efficiency, making it reliable for streaming, calls, and daily use even in crowded or signal-heavy environments with minimal interference. Offers extended playback time supported by a compact charging case that provides multiple recharges on the go. Designed for all-day performance, it keeps you powered for hours of music, calls, and entertainment, reducing the need for frequent charging and ensuring uninterrupted use throughout the day. Technical specifications. How to wear. Begin by selecting the silicone ear tips that best fit your ears. The earbuds come with multiple sizes, so you can pick the one that offers the most comfortable and secure fit. A proper seal not only enhances comfort, but also improves sound quality, giving you deeper bass and clearer audio. It also helps block outside noise naturally, so you can enjoy your music or calls without distractions. Gently place the left, L, and right R earbuds into your respective ears. Make sure the markings match each ear to ensure proper stereo sound. If necessary, twist the earbuds slightly while inserting so that the tips sit securely in your ear canal. This ensures the earbuds stay in place during daily activities, workouts, or commuting. Once in place, check that the earbuds feel stable but not too tight. The main body should rest comfortably in the outer ear, while the tip lightly seals the ear canal. You can make small adjustments by rotating or shifting the earbuds slightly until they feel snug and secure. This will prevent slipping and provide the best sound experience. How to pair? To pair the Btootos A90 Pro wireless earbuds, simply open the charging case and take the earbuds out. They will automatically power on and enter pairing mode. Next, turn on Bluetooth on your phone or device and look for A90 Pro in the available devices list. Tap on it to connect, and once paired, the earbuds will automatically reconnect whenever you use them again. How to charge. To charge your earbuds, plug the USB Type-C cable into the charging port located on the bottom of the case. Connect the other end to a power source, such as a wall adapter, laptop, or power bank. Once connected, the LED indicator on the case will light up to show that charging has started. Keep the case on a stable surface while charging and allow it to fully charge for maximum battery performance. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use approved chargers. Keep them dry. Clean gently. Use safe listening levels. Store properly. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.